after execution. So D0 will be the same, correct? 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. D1 will be changed the last 2 digits because of the byte. So 1 1 2 2 3 3. Sorry. The final answer will be AA, BB, CC, 4 4. Correct. Okay, think, correct. Move along D0 to D1. D0 will be the same 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. D1 will be 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. Correct. Think. Move W D1 to D0. D1 will contain the same one AA, BB, CC, DD. D0 will be 1 1 2 2 CC, DD. Okay, correct. Now address register and data register, you play around. Look at it. The final destination now, this one is data register. The last two is address register. If both, then you have to find out whether it's signed extend or not, right? Given this is number for data register A0, this one A1 and D0 is this one. Right? Move W A0 to D0. There's no address here because the final destination is data register. So move W A0 to D0. A0 is containing the same one. 1 2 3 4 5 6. If I put 6, data register or address register normally have 32 bit. So it should be 8 numbers, right? So I have to put normally another 0 over there. Normally. If I don't put only 6 because it's 24 bit, means that by default, yang depan tu all 0. Okay. So now A0 same one, D0 is this one. Move W, take the last 4. Go here, the answer is 1 1 1 1 7 5 0 0. Add address A0 to A1. Add, there's no sign extend rules. Add is only add up the numbers. So W between A0 and A1. 7500 plus 1100. The answer will be final A1 ialah 0 0 0 0 8 6 0 0. Next one, move the W D0 to A0. Sign extend rules or not? Will be sign extend rules. So D0 because of W, sign extend rules. And this one is actually move A, saya salah. It's my fault. It should be move A dot W. D0 to A0, D0, the last 4 ialah 1 1 1 1. So the final answer will be 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1. Okay. Next. Just now is direct between registers. But as an example, just now go to the memory. Now we are going directly to indirect register. Indirect means yes, not using the registers anymore. Even though there's a data register or address register, but now it does not refer to the address register anymore. Look at the commands there. The slide command, the new command will be in bracket. Okay, there's a difference between without bracket and with bracket. Without bracket is very simple. You just take the whole value from A0. Right now, it is not. Right now, it means that you are referring to the memory location for that particular address register. Example here, move.byte kurungan bracket A0 to D7. What you need to do is you need to find the location value of A0. A0 there will be a data. You need to find the data at the memory. Pull out the byte and put back to D7. Okay, the solution very simple here. Okay, D7 is given. This is given, this is given for you. D7 is given. This is a number 1, 2, 3, 4, FEDC. A0 is also given. This is a value from the A0 address register 0007F01. And the last information that they will give you is the values for the memory location starting at 7F00. This is the memory. 7F00 contain this number, 7F01 contain this number, 7F02 contain this number, and the last one is containing this number. This is the main initial values that are given to you. So after you command, after you execute this command, you have to know what is the final answer for D7. So right now your D7 is this number, correct? This number, So you're expecting something change from this number. Byte will be the last two things. So I will expect that it will number the 1, 2, 3, 4, FE. So what is the next number 2? That one is coming from this one. It's coming from A0 bracket indirect. It means that A0 is given 7F01, correct? This is the number, but you are not taking this number. You are taking the value at this particular location address. So at 7F01, you are given this one, right? The value for 7F01 here, AA. You take this one because of byte, two numbers only. Move to DC, the final answer is this one. A0 is not changed. So let's try to put it inside the code. Move B, move in, move by. Let's try it. In another process. Now it's indirect, means that it does not really go for A0. It's going somewhere. So you see the changes? You look at your memory location. Also you have to view your memory at 7500. Ambil daftar ni daripada A0. A0 ada nombor kan? Kan A0 berapa? A0 nilai berapa? Sebab ini nilai A0 kan? Tetapi bukan lagi lah. Sambut bracket, you can take this number up already. Kalau sambut bracket, you boleh ambil number ni satu buat di sana. Sekarang kita bracket. Bracket ni dia kata is not that data, but it's actually is referring to the address value 7F01. Dalam F01 apa dia ni? Is reboot kita dekat 7F01. The web Okay, without bracket, very simple. You test one more. Remove the bracket. Look at the result. That is the previous one that we learned. Run that one first. Remove this one. Then we go back here. I have to go back. This one. Remove the bracket first. Look at the answer. You expect what? One error. This one, of course, but you cannot move something. You have to try W if I'm not mistaken. Try W. Because it's address. You need the address. Buka bracket itu and change to W. Buka bracket change to W. Why slow So there's a change, there's a difference on the result. If you change this one to W, this is A0. Okay, I expect my D7. D7 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 7F01. Correct or not? Correct. My answer. So that one is direct from registers to registers. Right now, because of the bracket means it still refers to the number, but it's pointing to the location. Take the number, put back. So it means that it's very indirect. Direct means take it, put. Okay? Boleh? Nampak ada the changes? Okay, now move. Wow. Let's try this one. This one I don't want to simulate. Now the command is different, but you can see still bracket. Bracket means pointing to the memory location. Given the value, this is the value 1, 2, 3, 4, EE22 for D4. A6 is given this value. This is pointing to the particular location 5002. You are given this value for the locations of the memory starting from 5000 to 5003. This is a default value. Alright? So now D4W. D4 take the whole EE22, correct? This one take first, and then move to A6 bracket. A6 is pointing at 5002. 5002 is pointing to this one. The first location is like EDAA. You are taking the EE22 and replace this one. Change the locations of the memory. Change the value inside the memory. Okay, that's the bracket, So, take this one, EE22, put over here. In the memory. Memory 8 bit saja. That's why ada 2 digit saja. Each location is 8 bit. Okay, next. Okay. Now, another one. They call it address register indirect with post increment. Post selepas ke sebelum? Pandai sekarang. Post ialah selepas. Prepaid sebelum kan? Prepaid you pay first. Your phone prepaid you pay first. Postpaid you pay later. So mean that post is after. This post now you can see that there's a bracket. There's a bracket and plus. The command is bracket and plus. The real thing is, what does it mean? Work in the same way as ARI, except the address register is incremented, ditambah selepas operasi. After operation, you add up based on the code. By using byte, you add 1, word, you add 2, long word, you add 4. For address only. So let's look at example here. Ada kelas apa ni? Masuk kelas? Alright, last one. Okay, last one. Move dot long. You see this one Move dot long. This is long. Long tambah long add berapa? 4 4 Move dot long plus 8 A0. A0 is given this one. D3 is given this one. So you are expecting to go to A0 first. A0 is 7500. This is the location. Betul? This is, you have to take long, you have to take whole thing. AA, BB, CC, DD. Take the whole thing, go to D3. Save to D3. Then after that, you have to increase the A0 by 4 because of long. So A0 now, 7500 plus 4. This is the final answer. There's no changes in your memory because you're taking the value only. You are not erasing it.
What is the sign of this?
Sign, this is plus. Plus, if long, you have to plus the address register after the operation. Okay?
Plus 4, long 4.
Long 4. W2. 1 byte. Okay, next one. Another example, D4, now terbalik, D4 go to A6, post plus. Look at the command here, W is going to add 2, right? D4 is given this one, A6 is given E1. So W from D4 is the last 4 digits, correct? This one have to send to this memory location A6. A6 is given 5002, go to the location, at 5002 is given this one. You are going to erase it, right? D4, W is 6677. This is the original one. You are going to replace it for 5002 and 5003 from 66 and 77. Then plus means that you have to add 2 from the operation. A6 is going to plus 2. 5002 plus 2 is equivalent to 5004. This is you change into the location of the memory. Sama je macam tadi, but plus only. Because of W, you have plus 2.
There is no change in A6.
Yeah, A6 will be changed because this is post increment, right? Plus post increment will be changed from 50 to 504.
So it doesn't got any effect from the indirect, the organic period.
Indirect, what does it mean?
If we omit the plus, we go indirect, right? Indirect, if we omit the sign plus.
Plus,
What is the value of A6?
AC will be changed after that, right?
It doesn't change.
Yeah, here.
Because this one, because the increment.
Yes, because of the plus. Plus and W. W plus 2, right? Right.
If it is without the sign plus.
Without the sign, yes. Still the same. Without the sign plus, it will be the same.
After indirect.
Yeah. Without plus, of course, you are not changing anything. Okay, betul tak? Without plus, you are not doing anything. This is actually for the post increment. Yeah, you have to go through last one, And after post, this is a quick one before you go. After post, we have the pre-decrement. Post is tambah, pre ialah minus. Okay, the value is negative. Negative means inside bracket you have to minus first. Quick one. Alright, move the long negative A1 minus A1 to D2. You are sending this one. A1 is given this one. Okay. D2 is given this one. So you are going to move value from here. This is long. A1 is given this one. Long minus 4. Betul? So 4200 minus 4 is this value. At this value location, you have to grab the long data, which is F1, FC. This is a long data. 2233 44 55 send to D2. So the result will be like this. You minus first. Just now you buat tu then you operation. This one you minus first. Same like another example. Okay, last example before you go. This is move.w d4 minus a6. So you are going to w first d4 is given this one. A6 is given this one. W minus berapa? Minus 2. Alright. So A6 is given this one. You minus first. So minus first, 4200 minus 2 is equivalent to 41FE. That is the location that you're going to put the value from D4 taking for W. D4W is what? 9BCE, correct? So take this number, go to F1FE, change it over here. This is before and after. You're changing the locations of the memory. Okay, itu saja for today. I think you have class. So thank you very much. We are going, we have the class next week. Tomorrow there's no class because I really have to go to the Dewan Besar for this.